Why artificial intelligence, AI, will be the technology of 2023. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the world of artificial intelligence, AI, the undeniable technology of 2023. Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on an exciting journey through the fascinating developments in AI that have brought us to this point. Just a decade ago, AI was still finding its footing. Machines struggled with tasks like language and image recognition, lagging behind human performance. But oh, how times have changed. Today, machines have surpassed humans in numerous tasks, and AI is poised to revolutionize our lives in ways we couldn't have imagined. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane to appreciate the milestones that have led us to this AI-powered era. In 2012, Google researchers built a neural network that could recognize pictures and videos of cats, a seemingly minor achievement but a significant step towards image recognition. AI was still in its infancy, performing below human capabilities. However, it didn't take long for AI to catch up. In the following years, advancements in speech recognition, language processing, and neural network models propelled AI beyond human performance levels. By 2015, AI had started outperforming humans in various domains. Open-source platforms like Google's TensorFlow empowered developers to explore the technology in new and exciting ways. Face and image recognition capabilities reached new heights, and the combination of neural networks and reinforcement learning resulted in AI triumphing over the world's best Go player in 2016. The years that followed witnessed significant breakthroughs as well. In 2018, language processing took a giant leap forward with the development of BERT, a linguistic model that could generate human-like summaries. In 2019, AI demonstrated its potential in the medical field by surpassing human radiologists in detecting lung cancer, a remarkable achievement that showcases AI's ability to save lives. The COVID-19 pandemic of 2020 acted as a catalyst for AI development. The race to develop vaccines was expedited by AI, which helped researchers analyze enormous amounts of data quickly. The growth of AI was undeniable, with corporate investments skyrocketing and patent applications reaching unprecedented levels. Today, AI has become an indispensable part of our lives. It detects fraudulent charges, predicts our preferences, and assists us in decision-making. But it doesn't stop there. The recent explosion of generative AI systems has taken AI capabilities to new heights. These systems can create images and have human-like conversations, with OpenAI's ChatGPT leading the way. It's like having a conversation with a neural network that mimics human thinking, a milestone achievement for AI. The adoption of AI in various industries is also on the rise. More companies are realizing the potential of AI and investing in its implementation. Robotic automation and computer vision are among the most frequently deployed AI capabilities. AI leaders, who have been at the forefront of AI adoption, continue to expand their competitive advantage by integrating AI into their core business practices. Looking ahead to the future, we can expect AI to continue its upward trajectory. The development of self-supervised learning models, continuous learning, and task generalization will further enhance AI's capabilities. Language models like BERT will enable human interaction across different languages and contexts, benefiting education and communication. Facial recognition technology will likely see extended use for access control and safety measures. However, concerns about privacy and ethics will need to be addressed as this technology becomes more prevalent in society. As AI adoption and investment continue to grow, it is crucial to ensure transparency and control. Governments and companies must work together to establish AI laws and guidelines that address privacy and ethical concerns. Only through responsible AI development can we fully harness the benefits of this transformative technology. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, artificial intelligence is set to be the defining technology of 2023. With its remarkable progress, AI has outperformed humans in various tasks and continues to evolve at an astonishing pace. So, buckle up and embrace the AI revolution. It's going to be an exhilarating ride into the future. The future of AI is filled with exciting possibilities that will impact our society in various ways. Here are a few key areas to watch out for. Enhanced deep learning. Deep learning, a branch of AI, will continue to advance, leading to better algorithms and improved model interpretability. Smarter communication. Natural language processing, NLP, will enable machines to better understand and generate human language, enhancing communication between humans and AI systems. Transparent AI, explainable AI, XAI, will be crucial in ensuring AI systems can explain their decisions, building trust and accountability. AI in healthcare. AI will transform healthcare by aiding in early disease detection, personalized medicine, and improving patient care. Ethical AI. The focus will be on establishing ethical frameworks and regulations to ensure fairness, privacy, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. AI in robotics and automation. AI technologies will drive advancements in robotics and automation, resulting in intelligent robots working alongside humans and optimizing various industries. AI for sustainability. AI will contribute to addressing global sustainability challenges by optimizing energy consumption, resource management, and enabling smarter systems in transportation and agriculture. These developments aim to make AI more accessible, trustworthy, and beneficial for our social community. AI can greatly improve employees' daily tasks in several ways. Automation. AI can take care of repetitive and time-consuming tasks, allowing employees to focus on more important and strategic work. Intelligent assistants. AI-powered virtual assistants can offer personalized support, helping employees manage tasks, access information, and prioritize their work efficiently. Data analysis. AI can analyze large amounts of data to provide valuable insights, enabling employees to make informed decisions. Personalized recommendations. AI algorithms can learn from employees' preferences and behaviors, offering tailored recommendations to enhance their work. Intelligent search. AI-powered search engines make it easier for employees to find the information they need quickly and accurately. Workflow optimization. AI can identify bottlenecks, suggest process improvements, and automate routine steps to streamline workflows. Training and skill development. AI can facilitate employee training through personalized learning paths and feedback systems, helping them acquire new skills and knowledge effectively. By leveraging AI technologies, organizations can empower their employees to work more efficiently, make better decisions, and continually develop their skills. Thank you so much for being here and for your continued support. I look forward to sharing more exciting content with you in the future.